gin and tonic slips down nicely this time in the evening.
You're so vicious. You're so vicious.
Ice and
Get off
slice.
of that. Get off of that.
Ice a bit softer, my friend.
This is stupid. I know you just split up with mine.
Get off.
Try and work the light.
How long will this last?
That's a little hippo.
It does forever. Fantastic.
She's died already.
Been for a long walk though, haven't you? You've been for a long walk a little while ago, haven't you?
Bless ya.
Bless you.
Since when was sushi Spanish?
No, Japanese food.
Only at a restaurant called Hasta Manana.
No, it's Sunday in London. That's when my mama closed down. You would find some
What did you say this was again?
What food is it? Your cup of broken water.
You're talking about Japanese food, isn't it?
I didn't know I liked it.
Intuition.
Oh, oh,
You normally
oh,
cook.
oh.
Quite dangerous sometimes.